Welcome back to my channel. If you're ready for the most magical makeup I've ever done, stick around. I did a version of this look once before, but this is on a whole nother level, so I hope you enjoy. Whether you're a fan of Harry Potter, or fantasy, or just makeup in general, I think this video is going to be very informative. You can learn how to draw a castle on your face. Shall we begin? For this specific look, I'm putting foundation on first. Time to start my eyebrows with my Dip Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ash Brown. Whoa. Whoa. Gonna tone those down. Just gonna tone those down a little bit there. It's a little intense. And we're back. That's right. There we go. Those are some eyebrows. Yes. Quite. Of course, I can't start any look without my Stay Naked Pro Customizer by Urban Decay. This stuff literally gives me a blank canvas to work on. I just love it so much. Oh yeah, looking good. We're ready. I'm starting my look with a color from my James Charles palette called Acapella. It is the bluest of blue. This is the beginning of the sunset sky that will be behind the castle. I'm taking it all the way across my eye above my crease line. Next up is an orange shade from my James Charles palette called 518. Blending this color in below the blue along my natural crease line. Then along the bottom, I'm bringing in a bright yellow called B from the same palette. Coming back in with the orange to make sure the contrast stays nice and strong. I wanted my sunset a little more vibrant, so I came in with a pink color called Skip. Blending that between the orange and the blue really brought the sunset to life. That's looking great. Now I'm going to go in with the color Ring Light to highlight under my eyebrow and on the inner corner of my eye. Oh yes, the sunset. I'm mirroring the yellow, the pink, and the blue along the lower lid. Eyeshadow is looking like it's done. Excuse me, ladies. Sorry, ladies, I don't take walk-ins, appointment only. And back to the makeup. I'm using my Epic Ink Liner by NYX Cosmetics. I will be using the same liner to draw Hogwarts, the castle, on my eye. Water break! It's finally time to start the castle! Just kidding. Dance break. Okay, to start drawing Hogwarts, I look at a reference photo and I sketch a rough outline. My arms are killing me from my workout that morning. Like I said before, it's supposed to be a rough sketch. It does not need to be perfect. All of the detail will come when coloring it in. Ooh, for some reason this is really burning my arms. Okay, we're getting there. Now, I'm going to warn you, as the castle gets more and more detailed, my face seems to drift off camera because I'm trying to look extra close at my mirror. So my apologies ahead of time. I'm honestly still figuring out my camera setup. Now that the outline is looking done, I'm going to start going in with my colors. I'm using the Professional Vivid Brights liner by NYX in pastel yellow. This is the color I wanted to use to do all of the little windows and archways, and man, does this castle have a lot of those. When finished with the yellow, I'm going to go back through with the black and fix any areas that I need. Now going in with black to shade in the castle and fix any windows or archways I didn't like. Once satisfied with the black, I'm coming in with my white liquid liner by Urban Decay and highlighting the areas I want to highlight. This helps to give the castle a little more depth so it doesn't look like a big black blob on my eye. Now I'm just going in with the white and the black eyeliner and putting in the last little bits of detail. Again, my apologies for my face literally floating off of camera. I'm feeling happy with the castle now, but my other eye was so empty, so I decided to add a cute little flying snitch. Coming back in with that liquid liner by NYX in white and in pastel yellow. So the secret to avoid being a perfectionist when drawing on your eye, because drawing on your eye is crazy hard, is to just see it as kind of an abstract drawing. I've always loved the look of hand-drawn things over something like a perfectly done sticker that you can just stick on your eye. Whatever little flaws are in your drawings, whether it be on your eye or on paper, those flaws are what makes your specific artwork unique, and you have to accept them. You know, that could go for pretty much everything in our lives. What makes us unique are all of our flaws on our body, in our artwork, in our personalities, and I think that should always be accepted and loved. Alrighty, we're getting close to finishing this makeup look. I'm using a black shadow to line the wets of my eyes. Dusting some of that black fallout off my cheek. Time for my favorite part, eyelashes. These lashes are by Kiss and they're called Raven. They are limited edition spirit animal lashes by Kiss that only come out during Halloween, and I thought these would be perfect for this Harry Potter makeup look. I'm almost done and I'm getting really excited because it looks super cool. contouring with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. Blush and highlight from my Revolution Beauty Ultra Blush Palette, Sugar and Spice. Doing my lips with the KVD Vegan Beauty Everlasting Lipstick in the color Lovesick. And done!
Cadabra! Expelliarmus! Cadabra!
Wow, okay, it's easy to get off track with Voldemort's wand in your hand. I hope you guys had a little fun, found this interesting, and maybe felt the magic. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe, and if you liked the video, go ahead and like it. I appreciate you all, and I will see you in the next one.